Good day friends, I am Franciscal M. Lopez, and for this video, I am going to perform my fourth activity task on computer aided design using Autocad 2021. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's start. So this is my fourth activity entitled Special Cam. Okay, so I'm going to start this part 6.50. I'm going to divide it into 2. So that would be going to create a line here. The length of, it must be 3.25. Okay, and then next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to create now the ellipse. Okay, ellipse, and then starting here until here. Okay, and then drag it downward with a height of, it must be 2.125. Then enter. Then next I'm going to put, okay, this is 1.50. Going to input here a line first with a length of 1.50. Enter. Then next this part, circle with a diameter of 2.76. Then next I'm going to create this polygon. Then to change the number of polygon to 6. Then I'm going to select circumscribe with a radius of circle of 0.875. Enter. Then I'm going to remove this guideline. Also this one. And then next line, I'm going to trace it first. And then the length of this line is 0.75 with a degree of 180. Then enter. The next is I'm going to create this circle. So with a radius of 0.375. Enter. Then circle again with a radius of 0.75. Okay, so next thing that I'm going to do is this part of this figure. Okay, so I'm going to do first circle. Okay, it must not be at the center. Okay, I'm going to trace it first. It must be down at the ellipse. Okay, so with a radius of 3.62. Enter. And then next, circle again. So I'm going to start here at the top of this ellipse with a radius of 3.62. The next I'm going to trim these lines. Okay, so next thing that I'm going to do is this part. Instead of creating a circle, I'm going to use the fillet, the radius of 0.50. Enter. Then select this line and this circle, also on the other side, and this one. The next thing I'm going to do, fillet again with a radius of 0.25, and then select this line and this circle, this one, and this circle. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do, now I'm going to put the dimension. I'm going to change line magenta first. Going to extend it here. Okay, so it must be until here. Enter. And now I can proceed now putting the dimension of my figure. So I'm going to change first the property into red and by layer. Okay, 1.75. .25 and 6.50. Then DIM radius, sorry, it must be DIM diameter, 2.76. And going to command DIM. So this will be 1.50. Enter. And the next, okay, let me repeat again. This part, it should be at this part, at the top of this ellipse, and at the center of this polygon. And that's it. Okay, and the next thing, command DIM radius, this one, 0.05, then in this part 0.25, in this part 3.62, and the next here with the dimension of 0.75. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to trim this part of this circle, and that's it. So I'm already done with my activity. I hope you learned something. Thank you and see you on my next video.